Hello everyone, I Gaurav Verma, Assistant Professor of Narayana Group of Institution, welcome you all to the channel. I will provide you video lectures related to Department of Biotechnology. Today we discuss a topic that is measurement of cell growth. So here there are basically two methods to measure cell. It's depending on either it is present in cell mass or in cell number. So for cell mass we have three methods, that is direct method, indirect method, turbidity measurement. So in direct method we have two methods, chemical method and physical method. In chemical method we estimate the total number of nitrogen or protein or total DNA, whereas in physical method we use dry cell weight, wet weight or volume of centrifuged cell. If we talk about indirect method, for cell mass measurement, we measure a chemical activity such as production or consumption of oxygen or carbon dioxide gas. For turbidity measurement, we use variety of instrument to determine the amount of light scattered by suspension cell, that is OD, means optical density, where sensitivity is 10 per ml bacteria. If we talk about the cell number, there are basically three methods, that is direct microscopic count, electronic counting and indirect Weibull cell count. So in direct microscopic count we use special slides and dense suspension could be measured. If we talk about the electronic counting, it counts the number and measure of size distribution of the cell. It also counts the number of bacteria that we must present in very clean solution. In indirect Weibull cell count, which is also known as plate count, involving plating or spreading out of a sample of culture on a nutrient agar surface, in which dilution of sample is required before plating. The grown colony is also known as colony forming unit, that is CFU, is related to the Weibull number of bacteria in the sample. So here is the tabulated methods and their application in laboratory and industry. So in direct microscopic count, enumeration of bacteria in milk or cellular vaccines which cannot be distinguished from living or dead cells. In Weibull cell count, enumeration of bacteria in milk, food, soil, water, lab culture, etc., which is very sensitive if plating conditions are optimal. For turbidity measurement, estimation of large number of bacteria in clear liquid media and broth, which is fast and non-destructive but cannot detect cell density less than 10 to the power cells per ml. If you talk about the measurement of total nitrogen or protein, here we measure the total number of cell yield from very dense culture, which is mainly applied in a research lab. If we talk about to measure the biological activity such as oxygen uptake rate, carbon dioxide production rate, ATP production rate, here we considered microbiological assay, which requires a fixed standard to relate chemical activity to cell mass or cell number. At last, measurement of dry weight or wet weight of the cells or volume of cells after centrifugation, in which we measure the total cell yield in a culture, probably more sensitive than a total nitrogen or protein measurement.
एट लास्ट हमें 3-4 बातों का ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पहला कि इस लॉकडाउन का पूर्ण पालन करें। दूसरा, आरोग्य सेतु ऐप अपने फ़ोन में अवश्य डाउनलोड करें। तीसरा, अपने आसपास के गरीबों को ज़रूर मदद करें, उन्हें भूखा ना सोने दें। चौथा, नियमित पढ़ाई करते रहें, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया। हारेगा कोरोना, जीतेंगे।
Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind.